Um, Good morning, everyone. I am Ismail Chavez and we are grade 2. And here I am to discuss the business idea fulfilled by the 6 rules in entrepreneur. So our product is eco-friendly smart water bottle. So an innovative smart water bottle with an UVC lid technology for self-cleaning and water purification. Paired with an app for hydrogen tracking and tips. So here's are the 6 rules of entrepreneur. So first is provide goods and service. So our goods is eco-friendly smart water bottle and our service app with hydrogen tracking and health tips. So second is earn profit, which makes the economy grow. So through the sales and app subscription, we contributing to the economy, and we provide employment and livelihood for people and society. So create jobs in manufacturing, tech development, and marketing and sales. So for our fourth of the 6 rules, help each other grow by helping them to produce mutual business growth. So here is it. Collaborate with local startups and manufacturers, manufacturing mutual growth. And 5 is providing goods so that the economy will not rely on imported goods. So manufacture locally to decrease reliance on imported goods and strengthen domestic supplies chains. So lastly is entrepreneurs who fit up businesses in small towns and cities help develop these areas and those preventing rural people from leaving their homes to migrate to big cities. So set up production in small towns and rural areas, providing local employment and reducing migration to big cities. Thank you.